Hey everybody, it's my turn to play a game. It's Taryn.
I'm so excited.
Are you?
I really am. I love Ratchet and Clank so much.
Oh man.
Specifically Insomniac Games, because they also made Spyro. And Spyro was such a massive part of my early childhood that I saw Ratchet and Clank as just another opportunity to just get my itch. And then they made the new Spider-Man game, and 10 out of 10. And now they're doing Wolverine or Spider-Man 2.
Or both, I don't know.
I know.
I didn't really pay attention when all that stuff came out.
Either way, great company. They make fantastic games. Some of their other work I actually haven't played, but those three specifically I loved. But that's part of the reason why I told Tara to play Ratchet and Clank. And I'm hoping that we actually get to play Jack and Daxter as well, because that's another like duo kind of style.
I'm pretty sure Jack and Daxter will be the next game I play too.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like I'll do Jack and Daxter, and I'm sorry, but you're playing MM or OOT one way or another. You are playing
right.
MM or OOT one way or another
I'll
after
level.
Wind Waker.
I'll level. I don't want to play MM. I'll play OOT.
Okay. That we can agree upon, but maybe eventually you'll play MM. Because
maybe.
it's my favorite Zelda.
Maybe. I don't know.
We'll see. After speedrunning and watching me speedrun it, you probably won't be interested. But we should probably jump into the game.
Yeah, let's go.
This is just some backstory. I've never watched, and I have never played Ratchet and Clank. So I know literally nothing except for the fact that you obviously play as Ratchet with guns. That's it. That is all Danny has told me. We even bought a new controller from the store down the road because he tested my other one and he was like, you need to have a working R1, L1 because my R1, L1 didn't work that well on my controller. So
I feel like it would still read the inputs, but you don't get the pop, so you don't
get the pop.
Yeah. You as the player don't realize it's inputting correctly.
Yeah, but we're going to go ahead, we're going to go, and hopefully I'll enjoy this.
Before you actually start, I don't know if they address it enough, but he is what's called a Lombax, and he is a rare species.
Okay.
I'll just, as a little bit of a backstory for him, it doesn't like really matter too much, but just a little piece of Ratchet.
All right. Well, here we go, guys. Let's hope I enjoy it. Let's get this this show on the road. Would you like to create? Oh, it's actually yes is O. I don't know how much
I'm kind of
enjoy
surprised
that.
there, actually. I thought it was X always. Huh.
Yeah. Do not remove the memory. I'm not going to remove it, but it would be nice if you heard it. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's beep 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 beep. Kaizel Plateau.
Yeah. Kaizel Plateau.
All right. Do I get any story, or does this just go straight into?
This is
I gotta
story.
do shit. Okay. Cool.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for
Oh, we
using
can't
help
really
desk
hear it.
technology.
Yeah, I'll turn it up. I'll turn it up. Or I could put headphones in.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, in the factory on a nearby planet.
So it's making war robots.
And I can't turn on subtitles, can I?
I think we can. So there's a malfunction and Clank is created.
Oh.
He's supposed to be a big bad war robot, but
I'll turn it up there. If it gets too loud and it starts getting caught, then I'll move it. Actually, I'll move the mic now.
alright. So now the warbot's trying to get Clank. Wow, really? I forgot it just skipped straight to that in the original.
So he grabs the rocket and leaves?
Yeah.
And now he's being chased?
Yeah, he's being chased by the other
Dude,
robot.
Clank's a fucking beast!
Yeah.
Let's go, Clank. I'm okay with that.
Approaching planet Veldin, that's where Ratchet is.
Yeah, they started hard on this one.
If you play the 2016 remastered version of this game, they actually have way more, like, you play the beginning of that bit, running from the bots and everything. Alright.
Oh, this camera's so weird.
Yeah, the camera's kind of ass.
Welcome to the
Okay,
Gadgetron
so this is
Help Desk.
jump.
We're
That's
here
to
help
attack.
you
Okay.
during your interplanetary travel.
Oh, nice, nice. Oh, I do not like the camera.
Yeah, the camera is kind of ass.
Get out of here. Go get fucked, bro. I just have to remember that it's opposite of what I'm used to.
Just hit start and see if you can invert it.
No, you're right. Options. Camera. Cool.
And you can increase the rotation speed to make it a little easier.
No. Much better.
Oh, actually, hit start. And go back to the options. Scroll up and down. So, go to the subtitles. That's actually an important enemy later.
Okay.
If you go to quick game, he's an important character later. And there's Clank. But just a little, not like Easter egg sort of thing, but like, nice little thing. Something to do.
Okay, so attacking is square.
Well, for melee, yeah. To use your wrench.
I mean, I will grab all the stuff. Am I even going the right way?
You can interrupt help desk messages by pressing the triangle button. To disable help desk messages, please select options from your pause menu.
Aw. Okay. Nice. Okay, I'm so actually glad that you can grab onto stuff. Grab onto ledges.
Use the R1 button.
This reminds me a little bit of Kingdom Hearts, except you use square to attack.
So did you
Okay.
see what that little tooltip said?
Something about the help desk?
If you hold R1, so crouch and then hit square while holding R1.
You
You throw
just
your
picked up nanotech. Whenever you sustain injury,
Oh,
let
that's
Gadgetron's
pretty
patented
dope.
nanotech
Yeah,
system
and the
rebuild your
little,
body
like,
from the inside out.
glass square that you just picked up.
Give me a life.
Yeah, it's a little. So,
Get outta
Ratchet
here.
and Clank games, they have a lot of new shit.
I can see that.
There's a lot of like,
It's like Zelda.
yeah, there's, well, kind of like
Zelda
how
has a lot.
Spyro has, the dragon eggs that you collect from the
The little
yeah, I forget what they're actually called. But
Same.
I think egg thief is what they're called. But in this, there's
Literally egg thief.
golden balls.
Get out of here, bro. That hurt. Oh god.
You can take 2 more hits.
Oh, I was like, what is that? I know I can take 2 more hits.
I actually don't remember if it's 2 more and then you die, or if it's 3. Like you have to lose all your things.
How far does that go? Not that far, okay.
To use your bomb
It goes farther than
press
their
the
laser
circle
does.
button to equip it, and the circle button again to fire it. You can also use it in first person by holding
Use your bomb
down the
to
O1 button.
and the fire.
So there's a the little circle there on the ground is where your bomb will go.
Ha 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 ha. How do I unequip it?
Just square. Hold.
Okay. Okay, so that's how you switch between your items. Or at least the bomb glove and the wrench.
Yeah, I believe when you get the other weapons, you can pair them to triangle, or you can switch it from the bomb circle being bomb glove.
Okay, that makes sense. So essentially the very beginning of this is just going and getting Clank.
Yeah, picking them up and
Getting all this stuff.
what he is.
Ooh!
I don't know, it doesn't show up, but there is some super bad ghosting on our end that is like giving me like light motion sickness, but like not enough to really matter. Enough to like make my eyes like.
Yeah, it doesn't help that like I had that thing going on with my eyes earlier when I was doing my makeup too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so my eyes are really not happy with me today. So a little backstory on that.
Stop it.
Oh,
Jump up. I think you look up.
oh my god. There. If I look up.
No, it's not this one. So one of the like stacks on, I forget what level it is, but if you knock it down like 1 or 2, you can jump on top of it. And just about every stack that's like that, I try and like knock down just enough to where I can climb on top, the very top, and just look around and see if there's anything I can jump onto.
Interesting. You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with you.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
I can't unhear this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I can't unhear
Hello,
this.
citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution.
So,
We are constructing a
Ratchet-
pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation.
what?
And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
What?
So basically, that's the chairman of the Blarg, an
People on those
alien
planets
race.
are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Okay, that makes sense.
Deal.
So the chairman Drek was the guy that was talking. He's a Blarg, and their planet is overpopulated.
This could
So
be
they're
a
trying to
problem.
make it bigger.
Take
Trying
care
to
of
make
it.
a new planet by taking pieces of other planets, but it'll
Whoa,
cause the
this
Destroy
planet.
the planets in the process.
So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right.
Watch where you're
Sorry.
going.
Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is V54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
I can't unhear Titus. I'm sorry, I just can't.
So you
Honestly,
see,
it gets
would
better
be
with the other
most
games.
beneficial if your
There's
citizens
like a clear
were not
cut.
in the city when my workers begin moving in.
Like, that's what I was saying earlier. That, like, they're voiced by the same person. Like,
You have
James
no
Arnold
choice.
Taylor. And it's like, because I played Final Fantasy X so much, like, hearing him in a different game, I cannot unhear him. I just can't unhear him, dude.
I don't know why the subtitles aren't here.
Yeah, it doesn't really make sense. I guess it's because it's not like a cutscene, but it's a
You
cutscene.
have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
I think Danny's way more interested in the story right now than I am. He is like looking at the monitor with like his hand under his chin, just wide-eyed.
Well, I played this one whenever I was a kid. Then I played the remastered one a lot. And then I watched the movie, and just seeing like the transition from this to those it's fascinating.
Where are you?
That's hilarious.
Oh,
Hold
sorry
on,
about that.
I'm going to...
Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
I'm fixing something really super quick because I didn't change this, but I don't think it's gonna fix anything. No, it's not. That's annoying because if you look, but if you look over here, it's... So this is 4.3 and this one's somewhat like 16.9ish. But I'll deal with it. It's not a super big deal.
All right.
What's this? Gadgetron vendor. All right, so I'm assuming I could just buy stuff if I get enough stuff. Okay. I'm glad. Piracy, bro.
Pyrosity.
Bro.
Flamethrower.
Yeah, essentially a flamethrower up here.
Yeah, so you need 2,500 for that. And you've got 13.
Is water a bad thing for me?
No, you can swim.
Okay, I wasn't sure.
The deep water, I think you're fine. Yeah.
Is there a way to go up? Low?
Analog stick?
Oh, X. Okay. That's what I assumed because that's...
Try double jumping.
I don't have double jump yet. If you get that.
I think at a later point you do.
Yeah, somebody was practicing speedruns for this game earlier on Twitch. Oh god, oh god, oh god!
It will just take you down. You were going where it was going.
Got it. Ooh, bro, I don't like it when you shoot at me, man. Oh, good Christ almighty. Oh, man. You're mean. I don't like you. Take a bomb. Yeah! Dude, that was pretty good. Gotta admit, I did good. I could worry at this game. Oh, God!
Chomp.
Rude. Rude. I'm great at this game, okay, guys?
So typically enemies of that size are about one hit per. I think the bigger guys are 3.
I did not mean to use that. Oh, well.
Oh, you got 3 anyway.
Well, I didn't mean to use it. I wanted to jump on top of the box. I mean, I get it. I want to get enough for the flamethrower, though. I really want the flamethrower.
So pretty much in every level where there's a new weapon introduced, it's a really good idea to get the money in that level and purchase the weapon, because
it's probably useful in that level.
Yeah. And there's other like gadgets that you'll get access to that'll let you do other things that you'll very obviously need in other planets.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that these will drop me enough. Woo, woo. I'm just trying to get into a position to hit you with a bomb too, bro. It's not fair, okay? Because I can't... Oh my god. What a nerd. What a nerd. You went the other way.
soundtrack of the game is kind of fun. I like it.
You're just gonna put holes in here? Oh. Oh.
It's big ol' fuck.
Not really. Maybe a little bit. You die. And then you die.
Killing it.
But then all the stuff's like down there. Oh wait, no, I got it. It does take like a second or two for the game to register that I'm like jumping or putting something on though. Hitting him. Nice.
It's also interesting seeing, like, the controls only get better from here.
Okay, good. That's good to know. Oh, hi, bros.
I meant, like, game-wise, like, the other Ratchet and Clank games, just, I personally think the controlling gets better with each one. There are boxes over here.
Well, I'm actually gonna go do this.
Oh, thanks. You have enough. And the dudes respawn.
Means I can just go back. So it's like Star was bugging me when you were playing Wind Waker, and now since I'm playing Ratchet and Clank, Cloud wants to bug you.
You can't get on that bridge, though. You do it here. Jump in the way. Say the thing to run to the right. Go wide.
Okay, these they don't drop anything. When I kill them again.
Oh, they do. Not very much.
Yeah, not worth it. Let's go get that fucking flamethrower, dude.
Yo. I actually can't remember if it's an actual flamethrower or if it shoots fire bullets. But I think it's a.
Am I not able to go up
No,
there?
you can. It's coming back down.
Oh, now it is.
It constantly makes trips back.
Hi, bud. Just put me up.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Oh, so I don't have ammo, though.
Well,
I can't buy ammo.
You got half. You can buy ammo for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, before anything else, we're gonna do this. Yes. I just like saving. Oh wait, there's this like little area that I wanted to check out. Did I actually like leave?
Yeah. You just stand there for a second and think about it.
Oh yeah, this area right here. I want to use the flamethrower here? Wait, what the hell? Did this door just open, or?
Nice. Killing it.
Rude! What the hell? Like, this was always here and I just I didn't there. Whatever. I'm terrible. I'm not Danny when it comes to needing to check everything, okay?
This is why I tried to
Oh god!
stress it. That,
What is that?
if you run into it, it'll hurt.
Yeah, I assume so.
This is why I tried to stress earlier that, like...
I did not mean to use that. How do I get back to the glove?
I think gadgets, weapons.
Yeah, bro, you wanna go, bro? Take the bomb, bro. Alright, hold on. I want you dead, sir. You just die. Just don't run into the other thing. We don't want to run into that thing. But we want to go up here. Oh god, that scared me. Every single time these things are like here, I'm just like, dude, nah. Does this do anything? No, it's just broken. It's just broken.
I don't know. I think it's just broken.
Oh, wait. Oh, my goodness. Oh, nice. Okay. Do I have to do anything with this? Not yet.
It gives you a better perspective on the area.
So I can't get over there yet, though. Can I? Okay, I can get over here, right here. Aha! Stairs. You got perspective up in your bum.
Oh, yeah?
Oh no. First time I'm playing this, alright? It's weird. The controls are weird. But I bet this is how you feel with Wind Waker.
Yeah.
Aha!
So I am a Sony boy, for those of you who haven't gathered that yet. I've played almost exclusively, like, Sony consoles until I started making friends, really.
Yeah, I was Nintendo until, like, Tyranny introduced me to, like, Final Fantasy and Kingdom Hearts.
And blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports?
Newsflash, giant robots attacking. The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this goddamn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
500 bolts. And he leaves. He just runs.
Did he just slide down a sewer pipe?
Why would you slide down a sewer pipe? What?
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Whoa! That was close! Ah!
Pipe down, I can't concentrate.
Oh, we've been hit!
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long!
Kid, let's scream!
Eject!
Well,
Eject!
rip.
Did you see that guy on
That'd
the
be
left?
Smurf.
That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know
We
Captain
never
Quark?
are letting
I
Smurf
doubt
drive
it.
anything.
He's a pro hoverboarder.
Ever.
Always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say, I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Gadgetron
So,
infobots give you
that
coordinates
was
for new
Skid
planets.
McMarks,
Now
a pro
that you have the
hoverboard player.
infobot for planet Iridium,
Hoverboard
you'll
in
need
this
to find a
game
ship to
is
get there.
your racing minigame. Yeah.
There's racing mini games.
I think they're enjoyable. The controls are pretty easy.
To
And
enter
the maps
Riverline
aren't,
Home,
like,
press and hold the
super,
L1
like,
button.
unforgiving, but it's worth a shot. It's worth a shot.
Yeah. I'm trying to be like you.
Honestly, with this game, I really would.
Okay, hold on. Can I get up here?
I don't think so.
That would have been so good. There we go. Oh, dude, I can float. Okay. Well, actually, this would probably be like the perfect time to end the episode, maybe.
Yeah.
We follow this man down
Yeah,
the
that
pipe.
takes you back to the very
Let's
beginning.
go. Woo! Dude, I would do this not in the sewer pipe, but like maybe at a water park. That's actually so dope because now we can finish this portion of the world and whatnot. So I wanted to finish this area before we ended the episode, but it's not that big of a deal.
The rest of it's pretty quick, honestly.
Yeah, because luckily, like, we're recording the second portion coming up. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do a save again. I know I literally just saved. Maybe I should just, you know.
I would save.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna save right now. So we're gonna save right now. We're gonna cut the episode here, and we'll be back on Novalis in our next episode. So far, so good, I think. I like it.
Big
so
excite. You like it? You like it so
so
far?
far.
Yeah?
So far. It's a little wonky compared... Well, I'm so used to Kingdom Hearts right now, so it's very different.
Yeah.
Very different. But we'll be back on our next episode. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time.
Oh, yeah. See you guys.
All right, bye!